Alright, what's up YouTube? I got a Father's Day gift. I got from somebody special, the GoatGuns BullPup miniature toy. I wanna open it, review it, and see how it holds up. Oh, let me see if I could adjust that there for you. There you go. Alright, so box is empty. Move that to the side. Pumped. That's pretty cool. Alright. So they gave me some stickers. Not bad. There you go. Move that to the side. Not important. And then the instruction manual, which nobody really reads this, but here, let me zoom in and let you guys read it just in case somebody, you know, needs the instructions. They have a QR code. That's pretty cool. Now, if I really need to, I'll read the instructions, but as of right now, looks straightforward, nothing crazy. Alright, let's put that to the side. And let's open it up. Oh. Has staples in on every side. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to break them. Oh man, I feel like I'm getting sick. Went to the zoo the other day, super hot, and I guess when I got back into the car, turned on the AC, that cold air messed me up. I don't know, but I'll tell you something about this gun though, or toy. It feels solid. Oh man, it feels cheap. Yeah, it's plastic. Ooh, that's functional though. That's pretty dope. All right, let's continue. All right, this is pretty simple. If I knew what I was doing. Alright, so they give you screws, a couple screws. Let me open them up and figure out how many screws they give you. Oh, it's magnetized. Pretty dope. So I see 4 screws. Sorry, 3 screws. A magnet and one of these right here. I'm not really sure what to call that. Right at the edge. That guy. Don't know what that is, but there is a magnet and 3 screws. And a screwdriver. Let me put that to the side, and let me start taking everything out. Here's the stand. There's a mag and the grip. The grip is plastic. So the gun is plastic. Certain parts are metal. Like this is metal. And the little bullets seem to be metal too. I don't want them to fall, so you know what? Who cares? I don't have any freaking nails, man. Alright, no worries. We adapt to anything. Alright, there you go. Alright. Look at how tiny these little things are. These little bullets. Look at them. I mean, they have a lot of detail. It's pretty dope. Alright. I'm not gonna take them out, but I'm gonna put them to the side. Okay. Now we can. That's pretty dope. I don't know how to. Oh, so there's the to remove the mag. hold on. Let me see if I can zoom in. Whoa. Let me see if I can zoom in. Alrighty. Alright, cool. So there's the mag release right there. You press that in, and there you go. Push that in, and voila. Cool. Oh, I'm tripping. The mag release is down here. I guess I was just forcing it out. I'll figure out what the top is for. Alright, there you go. Cool. Alright. So where do these parts go? Where do they belong? How do they belong? That's the question. They look pretty cool. Seems to be a rail. Alright, let's see the picture. Let's see the instructions. What did I say? Place Picatinny rail on left housing body. Left housing body. Oh, okay, cool. Where the hell's the left housing body? Okay. Left housing body. That obviously isn't there, but I could tell that the bolt might go here. Look at that. No. This is a bolt, right? Maybe. I don't know. Hold on. Let me keep reading here. Oh, okay, cool. So it kind of like clips in to something here, left side. On the left side. Or not. I don't know. Interesting. Oh, no. That definitely isn't it. It's on the top. Oh. There it is. Okay, cool. So this is the left housing. This little piece right here. It's located, I believe it was right there. Right there. Zoom in. Come on. There you go. And I see something metal. What is that? It's probably a piece of the bullet. Okay. Anyway, let's get that out of there. And when you get to the little piece, there's gonna be. Oh man, how do I zoom in? Those little dots right there. The little. There you go. Right there. Those little things sticking out. They hook to those holes right there. How? I don't know. We're about to find out. Let's do it. Alright, there you go. So it had a good click. So if you did it right, you'll hear a little click. And then it seems like the bolts goes where? Place the sling into the provided hole and snap the housing body into place. Okay, insert the barrel grip inside the hole at the bottom housing body A. Okay. I don't know what that is, but hey, let's improvise. Where would this go? Oh, look at that. No. There you go. Simple and easy. Is that how it goes though? That looks wrong. Let me see the photo. Yeah, that's how it looks. Okay. Now that that's there, hopefully you guys can see, man. This camera keeps getting out of focus. That hocus pocus focus, you know what I mean? The shout out to Jimmy. Okay, so you put that guy here. Those two just connect like that. Cool, cool, cool. Man, the top feels solid. Oh, it's a screw on. Get out of here. You could change the freaking tip, the muzzle. That's dope. Can you see through it? Nah, you can't. Oh, wait, you can? That's awesome. All right. Now we gotta screw them in. So those three screws, as you can see, highlighted. There's one there, two there, and the third one's at the bottom. I mean, these are pretty self-explanatory, and trust me, I'm not the smartest guy in the world. I might not even be the smartest guy in the room. And I'm the only one in the room. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Look at that. Okay, cool. Now the last one. Let's put that bad boy in. Cool. Perfect. Not bad. Now let's hook this bad boy in. Oh, that is dope. There's a spring in there. That's pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. Cool. Awesome. That was actually pretty fast. It was simple. It was easy. Now we gotta do the grip, which I don't know where the hell the grip would go. What the hell? Oh, unless it. No. Oh, wait a minute. Is it all right? Oh, shit. The grip went here. All right, let's take it out. Take it out. Oh wait, that's not the right one. Cool. There you go. I'll take this bad boy out right here. That's what happens when you don't listen to the instructions. You know what I mean? You miss some things, but hey, you know what? You learn, and then you get better because now you're enforcing what you just learned on how to take it off. You put it back together. I don't think we're gonna need to take everything off. 2 is fine. It's enough space to get by. Hopefully. Oh crap. Okay. No worries. No worries. I'll be fine. Alright, there you go. That was a reference to Half-Baked. It's alright. Not gonna flip out like everybody thinks I'm gonna flip out and blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Hold on. Okay, that's a little difficult. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Heard a little clamp. A little clamp, whatever. Let's see if maybe this helps. No, that didn't help. Dude, it's so freaking blurry. I'm starting to think I'm doing it wrong. Hold on. No, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Oh, it's probably the other way. Oh. There you go. Okay, there you go. That looks right? Yeah, hopefully. Let me see those freaking images. Okay. Yep, that looks right. Cool. Now I just gotta put it on, put it together. It's a pain. This part's a pain in the ass, so be prepared to, you know, get angry. There you go. Maybe when you screw it, it might just screw in together and tighten up that way. Okay, there you go. Cool. Yeah, if you notice, I kind of didn't screw anything in here. Stupid. I'm telling you, I'm not the smartest guy in the world. Smart enough to put this guy together, though. Alright, cool, man. Let's put this bad boy together. That's in. Hold on. Take the clip out. Let's put the last piece of the puzzle together. Come on, man. There you go. Alright, there's one. It actually looks pretty cool. See if I can zoom into it. There you go. God damn. Okay. Oh, crap. It's a little harder than I thought. Which obviously is it. Look, I mean, Jesus Christ. There's one. Now, it's a problem, so you guys can see. So I already found something that I don't like about it. So when I go in for the, see, to refill it, or to put in the bullets, messes up. Look at that. Look at that. They keep moving to the side. They get jammed. So I already see something horribly wrong with this. I don't know how the hell they expect me to do this. I'm not freaking Stuart Little. How the hell you want me to do this, man? Okay, wow. Taking a lot longer than I expected. You know what? Let me just put one in. See how it looks, and then I'll see if I could take it out. Oh, what? That sucks. You can't eject the bullets. You just take it out. Oh. Maybe did I put it in wrong? I put the bullets in backwards. What the oh. No freaking way. Get out of here. Huh. Okay, maybe the bullets were the right way. Hold on. That's interesting. If this is true, then wow. Oh, you son of a gun. Oh, wow. I was putting them in wrong. Wow. I told you I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but hey, I'll get it done. There you go. That's what it looks like with the 3 bullets in there. Yeah, let me see if I can zoom into that. There you go. Looks pretty freaking awesome. I'm not gonna lie. And then you just plop that bad boy in here. And they don't get ejected or inserted into the chamber. Can't really see much. Let me get this out the way. You get the light a little bit brighter. Alright, cool. Maybe you guys can see that now. You can't really see the bullets, but they're right there. Cool. Now let me sand it and then I'll end the video. There you go. Voila. Enjoy the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Have a good night, guys.